to me like.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is this colourful butterfly look. So first I'm just going in with a darker foundation. Now this is Fiji by NARS. So I'm just taking an eyebrow pencil and I am just drawing out the look that I'm going to create. Then I just fill it all in with some liner and with some colour. So this is me drawing out the butterfly look with a brown eyebrow pencil. As I was doing this, I was just looking at reference pictures of butterflies, other people's work, just taking inspiration from it, and this is where I got the inspiration from this look. So I'm just going in with this dark pink eyeshadow and I'm just putting this over the main area of my eye. Then I'm just going in with some black liner and I'm just doing a wing here. Now I've just picked like a kind of pinky purple green kind of colour vibe here, and I'm just doing a little bit of like pink, then I do it going into blue, then on the top I do the same but with purple. And I am going over everything with a black face paint just by Snazaroo. Once I do go back in with the colours and stuff, I do go back over all the outline just to make it stand out a little bit more. Now at this part you will see that I do actually take away these little antler things and I just do some little swirls here. I just wanted to keep it quite even. They don't have to be the same, but I just ended up changing it up. I like the way this looked better. So now we're just basically colouring in this butterfly with any kind of colours that you want. These are the colours that I have went with, and obviously being me, I just went in with a little bit of glitter. I am obsessed. Like honestly, I don't think you actually really see a look from me that doesn't involve glitter most of the time. So yeah, we're just basically colouring this in and then adding some glitter. The glitter is from, I think is it With Love Cosmetics on TikTok. I got a little palette from them and it's just some pressed glitters and I just went in with some glitters. So this is the palette, look how stunning it is, and these are the 3 glitters that we are using. I'm just putting some eye glue down just because I don't know where my glitter glue is. So I've just put some like eye glue down and I'm just putting down the glitter with my fingers just because I feel like you get a better coverage that way. Now I just decided to add a little bit of colour to the outside of the butterfly, so it looks like when it's flying away it's leaving some colourful glittery dust behind. That was the kind of thought process behind this. Again, you could do this in any colours, you don't even need to add this bit if you don't want to, but I did, as always, I always go overboard. So we're just adding some colours here. Here we're using yellow and green, then we're just putting in some glitter and stuff just to make it look even more sparkly. And just to complete the lip, we are going in with Boy Bye by Doll Beauty and a little lip gloss by Dollhouse Beauty, or Dollhouse Makeup even. I don't know why I keep calling them Dollhouse Beauty, but Dollhouse, this is the lip gloss that I used here. And this is this look basically complete. I hope you guys love it. Stay tuned for more and I'll see you guys in my next video.